everybody. We're at Show Low Lake Campground in Show Low, Arizona. We're setting up for the evening, and we're here because we want to go to the Show Low BBQ Festival. So that's where we're going to be this weekend. But check out this view. Ain't that awesome? The sun should rise from that side, so I think we'll be doing good. Now back to setting up.
Like a fish on land.
Okay, so as you can see, we're in the pop-up. Crystal's having fun with a pool noodle. Got our ceiling fan up. And the new converter sitting down there. We just got to put the thing around it. Piece of plywood. And we're ready to have a good time for this weekend.
Almost.
Well, it's time to go to bed. It's about 10:15, night one, and had a good time around the campfire, shooting the breeze. Right now, Crystal's making the bed because we had to wait for the new thick mattress topper to flatten out a little bit. But we're gonna have a good time tonight. Sleeping. Supposed to get down to about 40 degrees tonight, so. And then we'll be up bright and early in the morning to go have some barbecue. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Say goodnight, Crystal.
Good night.
Corey's down there getting his coffee going, hopefully. And there's the lake right out our window. So I didn't put the curtains up because we're just kind of looking at the lake. So let's get this day started.
Good morning. It's a nice balmy 46 degrees outside. The sun is shining on the lake. Crystal's lighting the pilot light on the stove because the heater last night we found out doesn't work. Well, it does, but it makes this god-awful screeching sound whenever the wheel, the fan motor kicks in. So we're gonna have to investigate that a little bit more. But we're having fun, so who cares? Hey, we're at the Show Low Lake Campground going into the general store. Just wanted to show you all around a little bit in case you ever make it here. This is where the camp host stays. They have propane available, and they sell firewood. So this is the premium site. Some of them have electricity, some of them don't. But for the most part, this is across the street from the section where we're at, where we have the lake view. So we're gonna head inside now. I didn't bring mine either. Huh? The irises. So this, the camp store and the registration is here. We just went around over there. And then we have showers in here. And we'll take a look at that if nobody's in there in just a minute. But let's go back here and look to the back side. Got a little playground, little covered ramadas. There's the trash. All in all, it's a really cool little campground. Glad we found this place. It's really nice. I'll leave some links in the description below about where this place is, and that way you can look it up if you're ever in the area. So here's my bathroom stall. All squeaky clean now. I guess you turn the shower to the time you want, and then you can go from there. So that's the showers, at least. These are some sites over here that have electricity. They're next to the road, but they have electricity if you need that kind of thing. Looks like they all have like a picnic table and a fire ring. It's just pretty nice for a Show Low city campground.
Yeah, it's very nice for a city campground.
All right, so we're here at the barbecue festival, and we'll show you around.
Ready to eat.
Yeah, we hungry.
And get some good old barbecue. Hey, this is like the perfect, this is a win-win all the way around.
That's the brisket sliders right there. Those are the pork sliders.
The pickles are really good.
Let's hope we can get our grub on. We got a sticker.
Does that mean we were good?
Yeah. Barbecue. The barbecue trailer.
Thank you. I like that. It's like you're outside.
Where y'all from? Tucson?
Oh, cool.
How are you? We're from Phoenix.
All right. Yeah, so we keep talking.
That is an awesome fire pit.
Thank you.
Did y'all make that?
No, we had a friend design that for us. That is really cool.
These are for people that are serious about their meat. You ready to eat? Yeah, the girl pointed at Culver, and I'm like, you don't need Culver to the barbecue then. Yeah, well, that is their smoker. Name their smoker. The people on our channel love food porn.
Well, give the people what they want.
So the barbecue festival, we went ahead and left at about 12:30. We would have had to wait around for another hour just to do the People's Choice, and we just decided it was probably better to spend our time here where we could go kayaking and, you know, just relaxing and enjoying the day and whatever.
Okay. All right, so this is my first kayak adventure, and I'm more just floating. There's land. I'm going to try to make it over there. So this is how far I went. There's the boat launch way down there. And, of course, my hand fell asleep. My shoulders are hurting. So we're going to go back so I have the strength. So we will continue on this journey. So I went kayaking with my friend. And I'm here to tell you, that's some hard stuff. Kudos to all you that just jump out there and go and do. It is something I would really like to do. I would love for Corey and I to go kayaking all the time when we came out camping. Or, man, my hand fell asleep, my shoulder was hurting. I'm not trying to complain. I guess what I'm saying is I didn't realize the magnitude of the effort it took. I just never thought about it, honestly. So I'm gonna think about it. We'll see what happens. But I didn't even make it halfway across the lake, as you could see in the videos. I turned around quick just because I'm just out of shape. It's just not something I do. So it was a little rough first go around. But we'll get it. We'll figure it out.
You know, I guess I really didn't show you guys around camp and let you see what it looked like here. So let me go ahead and walk you around. This is where we're pulled up to. Got some friends in a tent here with us this weekend. You get a fire pit and a picnic table. And it's a pretty deep site. Kind of impressive how deep it is. The one thing that's pretty bad is it's like it's put into a rock field. So if you walk anywhere through here, you're going to get into rocks. And there's our swaggin. Probably not a drop of water or anything has come through there yet. I don't even think we've used the sink but a couple times. But that's our campsite. The lake's right out there. And it sure is pretty. Well, it's the end of our second day here in Show Low. And I think we had a pretty good time today. What do you think, Ma?
I had a great time today. I really did.
Not speak up.
We went to the barbecue festival.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't really what we expected, but it was still fun. And then we came back and we went kayaking. That was a lot of fun. We played cards. I mean, just had a good time. It was just a nice weekend.
That was a nice relaxing weekend.
Mm-hmm.
The 12-volt system that we put in here, the charger, everything seems to be working superbly. Thanks again to Chris with Camp More Bark Less for the converter. Between that and our Jackery Explorer and our Flash Fish power supplies, everything seems to be doing really well.
Yeah. Not lacking in water. I mean, we're not using the water system in the pop-up, but
we can,
but we just didn't.
Yeah, we didn't use the water this time.
So, I mean, I could have, but there was a restroom up the road, and there was a shower, and I was able to wash my hands, and
And apparently
So, big
we
deal.
slept really well last night because the people that we have come with us this weekend, they said they were up a lot last night with cars going up and down the road and coyotes and all kind of stuff. We didn't hear nothing.
I didn't hear a thing. Nothing. Last thing I remember hearing was that stupid heater.
Yeah, we had a little run-in with the heater last night.
Yeah, and the refrigerator's not cooling.
Yeah.
So.
But we're going to see, Chris said to give him a call whenever we get home. We'll see what we can figure out with those two things. If we have to replace them, we have to replace them.
Well, the refrigerator works on propane because it worked on propane last time.
Yeah, but it didn't get as cold as it should.
No, it did all right. It's just
Did all
this
right?
time with the electric, it's not getting cold. It's cool, but I wouldn't.
So we've only really got one more test, and that's to test it out on the 120. So
Yeah, so once we do that, and we'll know.
I don't even know when our next camping trip is we're going to have with electricity. So
Idlewild? Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, it's been a long day.
I don't know if Idlewild has got electricity or not. I don't know if it does or if it's going to be where we're going to go in Carlsbad or what.
What about the campground? Yeah, the Carlsbad campground. You don't know?
I don't remember. I don't remember if we had electricity there. And if the camera starts to lean over, I'm sorry, I'm really tired. So
Yeah.
we're not trying to be careless with you. We're just really tired.
Yeah, I think the wind's picking up again, too. So we'll see how the night goes.
But we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning. Yeah, camera's shaky, so am I. I got coffee. That's a good thing, I guess. Slept okay. That 4-inch memory foam mattress really does good. And then we have wedges to go on that too. But Crystal's been helping our friends pack up. And I've been trying to get coffee to go in. And there's the little boy. That's their little dog.
Hey, buddy. What?
Beautiful mornings, a little blustery. We got a nice stiff wind blowing
They said it was windy all night.
all night. Yeah, I can imagine. I heard it. It woke me up several times. But you can see the water glinting off of the lake out there, or the sun glinting off of the lake, not the water. I ain't having the coffee yet.
Off the glinting.
Yeah. Okay, so we're all packed up. We just got to go dump our swaggin' and dump trash, and we're ready to head back to the house.
Yep.
You have a good time, Mom?
I did have a good time. I had a great weekend.
What was your favorite part?
The kayaking. Trying it
Kayaking.
out. I don't know if I'm ready to do it all the time, but I don't know if I'm ready to go out and buy a boat, but
I think my favorite part was just serenity and the calm and the cool temperatures and all that.
yeah, this is a really nice campground. Highly recommend it. I was going to comment hard. Because they were phenomenal.
I said leave that at the post, right?
Yeah, let me pull it out real quick. I gotta.
All right, well, we're headed home, so